In this video, I'm going to show you how to put money sign in Google Sheets. After successfully accessing your Google spreadsheet, as you can see for this video, we have a list of numbers in column B. So what we're going to do is to input money sign or currency in these numbers all at once rather than inputting the money sign or currency signs one by one manually. So to do this, simply select and highlight the cells that you would like to input the money sign or currencies into. So after selecting those cells, on the menu navigation tabs, simply navigate to Format, and in Format, navigate to Number. In here, as you can see, we have the currency. The current default currency is set to dollars. So when you click Currency, the numbers on column D will then be set to dollars. So if you would like to adjust this or customize your currency, simply navigate to Custom Currency in here and simply select the currency based on your country or based on your need. But for this video, we were going to stick to US dollar. So simply click Apply in here, navigate to Format again, Number, then click Currency. As you can see, the numbers in column B now has its corresponding dollar signs. And that's about it. That's how to put money sign in Google Sheets. If you have any question, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.